Throwing Away the Alarm Clock by Charles Bukowski. My father always said, early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. It was lights out at 8 p.m. in our house, and we were up at dawn to the smell of coffee, frying bacon and scrambled eggs. My father followed his general routine for a lifetime and died young, broke, and I think not too wise. Taking note, I rejected his advice, and it became for me late to bed and late to rise. Now I'm not saying that I've conquered the world, but I've avoided numberless early traffic jams, bypassed some common pitfalls, and have met some strange, wonderful people, one of whom was myself, someone my father never knew.